Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to draw a cute Hello Kitty with a big candy cane? Well, let's get started. These are the materials that I will be using. Okay, so let's start off by drawing a candy cane. Okay, so it's just an easy arch, and we're gonna just bring a line across, and then we're just gonna follow the line and curve it. Okay, and then let's just draw diagonal lines for the stripes. Okay, so now the Hello Kitty, we're gonna draw an arch, a line across, two little points for the ears, and then let's just continue to add the lines. So that's part of the head. Okay, so we'll do the little body. So one line down, then across, and then again down. Okay. We're gonna add arms, so just a line, diagonal line across and over, just like that. And then little feet, or the legs here, just a curved line as well. Okay, so I'm gonna use my little thin Sharpie. Just draw the little eyes, two oval shapes, and a little oval shape here for the nose. Draw the little bow, so a little circle, and then sort of a little triangle shape for the bow. Okay, and a little line here, and the three whiskers, so three diagonal lines. Okay, now because it's sort of like a Christmas Hello Kitty, I'm also going to add a little snowman for the t-shirt. So three circles and little tiny eyes for the nose. And then let's draw the hat. Okay, and then the arms, two lines across and little short lines around, and you can just add the little buttons. Okay, oh, the hands, so a curved line. Okay, and again, little curved line, little loop, and then around as well here. Okay, so for the candy cane, I'm going to use a marker for the stripes just to make it look nice and bright. And I'll just share a little history about candy canes. So it was invented in 1670 by a German choir master at the Cologne Cathedral to keep kids quiet during long Christmas Eve services. So he had white sugar sticks bent into the shape of a shepherd's cane. And it was originally all white. In the 20th century, the red stripes and peppermint flavor became popular. Okay, now I'm also going to use my marker to color the Hello Kitty outfit here. And National Candy Cane Day in the US is celebrated on December 26th, so the day after Christmas. So I'll make sure I'll have my candy cane ready. Okay, and I'll just color the arms here. and a little bow. I have a cute little joke. What does a candy cane say to another candy cane during a strong storm? Hurricane! Hurricane! Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.